Hello students, so you all must have seen trigonometric graph 1 and 2 video. Now here we will be seeing trigonometric graph video 3, which is all about graphing sin x, cos x, tan x. Remember one thing, these are the standard graphs for sine, cos and tan, whichever sum asks. You have to do this type of graphing only. So you have to remember, and how you have to remember? You have to remember graphing on the basis of your cast diagram. I want to draw sin x. Sin x is positive from where? It is positive from 0 to 90, because here all are positive, and then 90 to 180. So basically sin x is positive all throughout from 0 to 180. So what will I do? Listen to me very carefully. First, you will be drawing your graph like this, where you will write 0, 90, 180, 270, 360. You will write here positive 1. You will write here negative 1. We already know that sine is positive from 0 throughout till 180, and then from 180 to 360 it is negative. See, from 180 to 360 it is negative, because here only tan is positive and here cos is positive. So what will I draw? How will I draw? Look here. From 0 to 180 it is positive. I need to draw in this manner, like this. From 0 to 91 it is positive. It is in my positive quadrant till 180, right? Then from 180 to 360 it is negative. So I will be drawing here till negative 1 like this. So 180 to 270 it is negative. From 270 to 360 also it is in the negative quadrant only, but then again gradually it will become positive, so we will take an upward curve. Here also it is positive. From here it will become negative. From 90 to 180 it will go towards negative side, so I'm going down. But be very careful. Look here how I have done. I have taken it till 1. How I have done? I have taken it till negative 1. So this is your standard graph always for sin x. Now we will go to the cos x graph. Where is cos positive? Cos is positive here in this quadrant as well as in this quadrant. So it is positive from 90 to 270, right? Or, so how you will be doing that? Listen to me very carefully. From 90 to 180 it is negative. We can very clearly see here that 90 to 180 it is negative. 180 to 270 it is negative. So what we will do in this manner. Again, it's a standard graph always for cos. So it is like this. We will be starting from here, because earlier it is not positive, it is negative. So from it is like this. See how it is. Be very attentive over here. Some part of 90, for some part of 90 it is positive, but it is not positive from 0. Like in sine, from 0 itself it is positive. From here itself we have made positive, but here it is not positive from 0. So what we will do, from 1 to 90 it is positive. Then from 90 to 180 we can see it is negative, and then till 270 it is negative. See, you can see here, right? So what we will do here, take it, your graph should go till negative 1, correct? It is negative. And then from 270 to 360, sorry, from 270 to 360 I can very well see that it is positive. So make sure that for 1, so 270 to 360 it is positive, that is quadrant 1 up to 1. So make sure that you draw in this manner. Make sure that you draw in this manner, right? Now we will go to tan. In case of tan, where it will be positive? It is positive here and it is positive here. Very beautiful graph of tan it is. So for tan, it will be like this. That if you will observe, tan is positive here in this portion and tan is positive here in this portion. 90 to 180 it is negative, and Again 180 to 270, it is positive. So listen to me very carefully. And then again 270 to 360, it is negative. So what we will be doing, like this, again, it is, 1 year. Make sure that we be very careful about this negative things. Why I am drawing this? Just for the indication that the curves what we take should be up to 1 and should be up to -1. So here it is positive from 0 to 90. So I will be drawing my curve like this, basically in line till 1. 90 to 270. If you will see here, 90 to 270, it will be 90 to 180, it is negative, right? 90 to 180, it is negative. Again, from 180 to 270, it will be positive. So 90 to 180, it is negative. So you will be starting from here. It is negative, right? So 90 to 180, it is negative. And then 180 to 270, it is positive. So, saw the curve, how it is going. And then 270 to 360, it is negative. See, we can see, right? Here only cos will be positive. Only cos is positive. 10 is negative. So it will be like this. So from 270, what we did, we took the placement of, we started from 270 because from 270 to 360, it is negative. So from 270, we started. And I will be just drawing this curve like this. It's a beautiful graph. So basically, why I have drawn, y'all don't need to draw this. Drawing of this is not needed, such cast diagram. That is just for your understanding. I've drawn the cast diagram to give you proper explanation. But these are the standard graphs for tan theta, cos theta, and sin theta. You all have to just remember this graph, and these are the graphs. Wherever these questions are being asked, you will be drawing the standard plotting like this. So that is it, guys, for today. Just remember these graphs and you're all sorted. Yeah, thank you so much.